In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name servers on Hostinger. This process is important for those looking to customize their domain settings or switch hosting services without the need for excessive technical know-how. So, let's dive directly into the easy to follow steps. First, we'll begin by navigating to Hostinger's control panel, known as the H panel. If you haven't already, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page of your dashboard, where you manage all your hosting and domain activities. This central hub is designed to simplify your web management tasks. Next, look for the Domains tab on your dashboard. This section is dedicated to all things related to your domains. Click on it. Now, within the Domain section, you'll see a feature labeled Domain Portfolio. This is essentially where all your registered domain names are displayed. It's a handy tool for managing multiple domains from a single interface. At this point, you might wonder about getting a new domain or modifying current ones. Hostinger makes this incredibly seamless. If you want to purchase a new domain or perhaps add to your current collection, you can simply click on the button labeled Get a New Domain. This option will streamline the process of acquiring new domains and opens up a world of opportunities to personalize or expand your digital footprint. Once you've clicked on Get a New Domain, you will be redirected to a domain search area. Here, you can type in your desired domain name to check its availability and proceed with purchasing. Hostinger's robust search feature helps you find the perfect domain name easily. The interface is user-friendly, enabling even beginners to make informed decisions with a few clicks. In case you're considering transferring an existing domain to Hostinger, there's an option for that too. On the same platform, you'll find the Transfers button. Clicking on this will guide you through transferring your existing or new domains from another provider to Hostinger. This can be beneficial if you're consolidating your web assets under one provider for easier management and tracking. And just like that, you have successfully navigated through changing your name servers and potentially acquiring a new domain. Hostinger's H-panel interface is designed to be intuitive, making it simple to manage domains regardless of your technical expertise. Remember, the key to mastering Hostinger's domain features is exploring each tab and option available. Give it a try, and you'll find how adaptable and powerful managing your web presence can be. Thanks for following along, and best of luck with your website endeavors.